The first thing that I want to say, as far as if you are trying to get to 4,000 watch time hours, let's say that you're at 3,000 right now, you're trying to get to that last 1,000. Here's what I'm going to say. If you are, and I'm going to guess that most of you are, and I'm going to have you answer this in the comments, I want you to stop focusing on shorts. People think that shorts, because it can get a lot of views, is going to get you a lot of views on your other videos. Wrong. It's just wrong. And if it gets you subscribers, those subscribers are not going to watch your long form. I would love it if someone would tell me right here with statistics to back it that you've been posting shorts and those shorts have led to your long form content being viewed. I want to know that. And if you are posting shorts, let me know that in the comments as well. I think right now, if you have time to post shorts, you have time to post another video. I really do. Okay. And we're going to get to this, the second thing that's really important to get that watch time hours up there, which we're going to talk about. But the focusing on shorts, it's such a small little bit, and it doesn't even count towards your watch time hours. It only counts towards your subscribers. I think it's 3 million views you need on your shorts in order to get monetized. So it doesn't even count towards your watch time hours.
Nope.
Scotty, what do you want to say on that?
No, yeah, I think it's been talked about a lot because it's the trending thing, even though it's been trending for the past probably 4 years because of COVID, where everything's gone to short form because of TikTok, blowing up, and then Instagram Reels, and then Facebook wants to do it, and then YouTube. Like, it's just hopping on the wave of what TikTok did. And so now people are like, oh, get a lot of views. Maybe I can get a sponsorship. Maybe get this, maybe get that. But here's the thing. Everyone is doing it now. Like, it's so, number one, saturated. Number two, even if you get, like, there's no ROI, which is return on investment. There's not a lot of return on investment with the views. Like, it doesn't matter what platform you're on. Even TikTok, you can get 100,000 views and get 2,000 comments. Majority of those people won't even click the link in your bio.
Yep.
So it's like, why are you going to put all this effort in just so you can show that you have 200,000 views on a video? And with YouTube, it's like the whole idea is, oh, well, I can send them to my long form video, or I can send them to here, right? Majority of those people don't end up going there because they're not there for the long form. They're there for the scroll, which is they're on their short form content, and they want something quick, and then they want to go to the next thing. I'll give you a perfect example. Today, I was looking up a quick dinner hack I can make tonight. I wanted like a quick dinner recipe that was healthy that I can make quickly. I was on YouTube Shorts. I was at school. I was on my YouTube Shorts feed, and I was going through, right? I watched the video. I got the recipe. I left. I didn't even subscribe to the person. I don't care who the person's name was. I didn't take any of that information down. I just did that. On the back end of that, recently, I've been looking up like different fitness, like meal prep stuff, right? I'll watch more of the long form on that because I want to see all the ingredients like laid out and all of that and how they like process it, right? With those ones, I remember the face, and usually I'll either subscribe to the channel or I know their name, or like I'll remember the name, be like, oh, this is Jesse Fitness or whatever, and I'll go back to them and watch their stuff, right? Short form is different. It's not, it's more, it's here now, it's gone tomorrow, right? Mm-hmm. Where long form, it's like more bingeable stuff, more, you're going to also create more of a relationship where you want to come back, where short form, it's not really building a relationship. It's a quick, thanks for the entertainment, or thanks for the little tip. All right, I'm gone. Bye.
Yep.
So that's my whole feelings on shorts compared to like long form, and what I think the main focus should be on for, especially new creators, which is long form.
Yeah, no, 100%. All right, cool. Let's keep moving here. So the second piece here, once we scrap the idea about shorts, and I will say this, if you want to do shorts, do them on a separate channel. Just create a shorts channel. Yeah, I mean, you see all the big channels out there, the Joe Rogans, even Graham Stephan, all them. They're all doing a separate channel. They're not doing a channel with both on there anymore. Dave Ramsey even has a separate for the shorts. So we got to learn from that, right? Like, there's a reason why they're doing that. And they have teams that are focusing on this stuff. So I would scrap the shorts for right now and put the time and energy into the longer form, which brings me to the second thing. We need to create longer videos. And I say longer, our rule is 8 to 20 minutes, somewhere in that range. Now, if we had a video that we went to 22 minutes, that's okay, right? we're doing a live stream right now. This is not going to be 20 minutes. We're okay with that. It's a completely different animal, right? The live stream. Okay. And we'll talk about that here in a little bit too, because there is a really good advantage that you can have from using live streams. So creating longer videos, 8 to 20 minutes. The reason why we use the 8-minute mark, YouTube basically will allow you to put mid-roll ads on once you get monetized on 8-minute videos or longer only. Okay. And now they are going to be placing those themselves. Okay. They're going to give you that, they're going to give you the choice where you can put, you always could put those where you wanted them, but they're going to actually now they're going to place them for you where they strategically think they're going to perform better, which is pretty cool. But you only get that if it's 8 minutes or longer.
Yep.
The other thing is, if you got an 8-minute video, our average is typically, if we have an 8-minute video, we're getting someone to watch about 3.5 to 4 minutes of a video, which is great. If we have a 20-minute video, it might be 5 to 6 minutes. Think about that for a second. A short, let's say someone watches of your 1-minute short, they watch 30 seconds. That doesn't count towards watch time, by the way. Okay. But we now are able to have an 8-minute video, long form, that someone watches 3 to 4 minutes. That adds up a lot more and it counts towards our watch time hours.